Give me the night in jazz funk style, which is what it is. Starts on F minor 7, A flat C, E flat F. Play the F in the bass. B flat minor, D flat major, same chord as the B flat minor. C minor. Okay, and then the B section. So come on out tonight, and we can be lovers on a ride to paradise. And if it, A flat minor, feels alright, F sharp major, then we can be lovers, but I see that starlight, E major 7, and look in your eyes, E flat 7, dominant. Well, don't you know we can fly? And it's the E in action. Well, you can da-na-da-na-da-na-da-na-da-na. It's a chain reaction. Alright, tonight you do. Ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-na-na. And late romance, 'cause there's music in the air. B flat minor, and lots of E flat major 7s. Loving everywhere, so give me the night. Alright, tonight. And the solo section. Because there's music in the air and lots of loving everywhere, so give me the night.
Next song. That's one in the bag.